based on your current marks. So how you're scoring for math, right, will determine also how you should strategize in how to score for your WA papers. So let's say we start with the middle range, right? If you're scoring between 50 to 74%, right? So I would say that most likely these students, they ace all the 1-mark questions, right? 1-mark questions should be no problem for them, but they struggle a little bit with the 2-mark questions up to the 4-mark questions. So the guideline would be to practice the 2 to 4-mark questions to score. Okay, then if we look at the bottom, if you're scoring below 50%, means you're struggling a bit with math, you're a bit weaker, okay, then the guideline would be to focus on the basics, okay, go back to the basics and to practice 1 to 2-mark questions first. Now, if you're 75% and above, these are what I consider as the more advanced students. They are generally a bit stronger in their math. So 1 to 2-mark questions should be no problem for them. They should ace it. So what they can do is to practice the 3 to 5-mark questions to score. Okay, so this is in general for WA from P4 to P6, right?